In this video, I will show how to put a line above a letter in a Microsoft Word document. So very easy and quick way to put a line above a letter in Microsoft Word. Firstly, type your letter like X. Now insert and equation. So select it and firstly click on insert, then equation. Now here you will see this ascent, and here you will see all type of above line like dot, double dot, and triple dot, hat, and check. So above line with arrow, without arrow. Scroll down and there are some more options. So this is the upper bar and under bar. So select this one over bar. Now select your letter and click anywhere. So find out and you will see so many options in this ascent. Like you want to make left right arrow, and here hat. So check out and see how many options are here. Like this. Now just change your text here. Also you can keep this overline, above line in word and sentence. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.